What if you cracked your knuckles 1,000 times? Hour 1, your joints are already swelling. The fluid is building up. Hour 3, cartilage is tearing. Tiny rips with every crack. Hour 6, your fingers can't straighten anymore. They're locked in position. Day 1, arthritis that takes decades? You got it in 24 hours. Your knuckles are twice their normal size, deformed, permanently. The popping sound? That's gas bubbles exploding in your joints. 1,000 explosions. You destroyed your hands. Or a satisfying sound.